She calls on me and tells Brooklyn's away. Says she's running my way. The city's grown, and 2 steps from home. Since I said okay, since I said okay, now I've left my share of things. Open heartaches ain't nothing like dreams. My house bustles, but rooms stay empty. Back door slams keep my company. I'm stitched up with doubts and she's got me strung out. You tell Brooklyn I'll see her next week. But pain wants to stay, and he makes his way into the street. And my old shame discloses his name. He runs into me. Yeah, he runs into me.